Hello. Welcome to Easy English.
With David and Alice.
Here, we speak English.
Slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Listen
Repeat,
and practice with us.
relax.
And let's start. Hello, Alice. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I am very happy to be here today. How are you feeling, Alice?
Hello, David. I feel good today. A little tired, but okay. How about you?
I feel calm and relaxed. It is a nice day. The weather is gentle, not too hot, not too cold. A good day to learn English slowly.
Yes, I like learning English like this. Slow and calm. It helps me understand.
That's very good to hear. Today, we will speak very slowly. We will repeat many ideas, and we will help our listeners feel comfortable.
That sounds nice. What is our topic today, David?
Today, our topic is English in daily life. We will talk about going to the doctor. We will learn helpful English phrases. This is for level A2. It is simple English.
Going to the doctor. That is very useful. Many people need this.
Yes, many people feel nervous at the doctor's office, so learning English for this situation is very important.
I feel nervous sometimes. I don't know what to say.
That is very normal. Today, we will help, step by step, slow and clear. We will practice together.
I like that. Will we use easy words?
Yes, very easy words. Short sentences. We will repeat them many times.
Good. I am ready.
Great. Before we start, let's take a small moment. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders and just listen.
I am relaxed now.
Very good. So today, again, our topic is English in daily life. Going to the doctor. Helpful English phrases.
Okay, I remember.
Good. And remember, you can listen while you rest, or walk, or drink tea.
Yes, I like listening while I drink tea.
Perfect. Now let's gently begin.
Let's begin.
Before we go deeper, I want to say something to our listeners. If you like this lesson, please like the video.
Yes, please like the video.
And if you are new here, you can subscribe to Easy English with David and Alice.
We make slow and easy English videos.
Yes, very calm videos for beginners.
And you can listen again and again.
Exactly. Repetition is good. Repetition helps learning.
So please like, subscribe, and enjoy.
Thank you. Now let's go back to our topic.
Going to the doctor.
Yes, let's start with a very simple situation. You arrive at the doctor's office.
You walk inside.
Yes, you walk inside. You see the front desk. There is a receptionist.
The receptionist is the person at the desk.
Correct. Now, the first simple sentence you can say is hello.
Just hello.
Yes, simple. You can also say good morning.
Or good afternoon.
Very good. Again, hello, good morning, good afternoon.
These are easy.
Yes, let's repeat. Hello, I am here to see the doctor.
Hello, I am here to see the doctor.
Good. Again, hello, I am here to see the doctor.
I hear it clearly.
Now another sentence. I have an appointment.
Appointment means you planned before.
Exactly, you planned before. So you say, I have an appointment.
I have an appointment.
Very good. Let's say a full sentence. Hello, I have an appointment.
Hello, I have an appointment.
Great. Again, slowly. Hello, I have an appointment.
Okay.
Now, sometimes the receptionist will ask, what is your name?
That is easy to understand.
Yes, and you can answer, my name is Alice.
Or, my name is your name.
Correct. Let's practice. I ask you, what is your name?
My name is Alice.
Very good. Now, let's add, my name is Alice Faye.
My name is Alice Faye.
Excellent. Again, this is very common. Name, appointment, doctor.
I see. Very simple steps.
Yes. Now let's move to the next idea. The doctor asks how you feel.
They say, "How do you feel?"
Exactly. Or, what is the problem?
That sounds difficult.
It can sound difficult, but we will make it easy. You can use very simple words.
Okay, I am listening.
Let's say you have a headache. You can say, I have a headache.
I have a headache.
Good. Again, I have a headache.
Yes,
Let's say another example. You have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
Very good. Again, slowly. I have a sore throat.
Okay,
Let's say you feel tired.
I feel tired.
Yes, that is perfect. I feel tired.
Very easy.
Yes, simple sentences are the best. Again, we can say, I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
That sentence is very useful. You can use it for many problems.
So even if I don't know the word, I can say that.
Exactly. That is a very good point. I don't feel well.
I like that.
Let's repeat it again. I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
Great. Now let's add time. You can say, I don't feel well today.
I don't feel well today.
Or, I don't feel well for 2 days.
I don't feel well for 2 days.
Perfect. Very clear.
This helps a lot.
Now, let's do a small real-life situation. Let's say you are at work.
At work?
Yes, you feel sick at work. You talk to your boss.
Okay.
You say, I don't feel well. I need to see a doctor.
I don't feel well. I need to see a doctor.
Very good. Simple and polite.
I can use that.
Yes. Now another situation. You are traveling.
Traveling to another city?
Yes, you feel sick while traveling. You go to a clinic.
A clinic is a small doctor's office.
Correct. You say, hello, I am visiting. I need a doctor.
Hello, I am visiting. I need a doctor.
Very good. Again, simple words.
I feel more confident.
That is great. Now, let's practice some listening and repeating.
Okay.
Okay, repeat after me. I have an appointment with the doctor.
I have an appointment with the doctor.
Good. Again, I have an appointment with the doctor.
I have an appointment with the doctor.
Good. Now, I don't feel well today.
I don't feel well today.
Again, I don't feel well today.
Okay.
Now, I have a headache.
I have a headache.
Very nice. Now let's move to shopping.
Shopping?
Yes, maybe you are at a pharmacy.
A pharmacy is a medicine shop.
Correct. You can say, I need medicine.
I need medicine.
Or, the doctor gave me a paper.
A paper is a prescription.
Yes, but we can say simple, the doctor gave me this.
The doctor gave me this.
Very good. Again, simple.
I like simple English.
That is perfect for learning. Now let's create a small dialogue.
Okay.
I am the doctor. You are the patient. I say, hello, how do you feel?
Hello, I don't feel well.
I say, what is the problem?
I have a headache.
Very good. Again, slow and clear.
It feels natural.
That is the goal. Now, let's go to another real-life scenario. A restaurant.
A restaurant and a doctor?
Yes, let's say you have a food allergy. The doctor told you before.
Okay, I understand.
You are at a restaurant. You say, I can't eat this. My doctor said no.
I can't eat this. My doctor said no.
Very good. Or, I have a health problem.
I have a health problem.
Again, simple and clear.
This is useful.
Yes. Now let's review some key phrases.
Okay.
I have an appointment.
I have an appointment.
I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
Excellent. You are doing very well.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
That makes me very happy. Remember, everyone, you don't need perfect English.
Yes, simple English is okay.
Exactly. Speak slowly. Use easy words.
The doctor will understand.
Yes, most people will understand. Now, let's slowly finish.
Okay.
Today, we talked about English in daily life, going to the doctor.
We learned helpful phrases.
We practiced together. We repeated many times.
That helps learning.
Very much. Now, I have a small question for you, Alice.
Okay.
How do you say, I am sick in another way?
I don't feel well.
Perfect. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alice, and thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you next time.
Keep practicing. You are doing great.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.